All right, that's a big headline from a delightful conversation that India Today just had with the newly appointed Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. Big remark on AAP councillors. She says AAP corporators are ready to jump ship. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta says AAP corporators will jump ship for the MCD. That's the big statement that has been made by the Chief Minister of Delhi today in a conversation with India Today's Rahul Kanwar. She was talking about AAP councillors and talking about the fact that this is going to be their opportunity from the Aam Aadmi Party, who would be then joining the BJP, is what the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has told India Today exclusively. AAP corporators will jump ship for the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, is what the CM just said in a big remark that she made, talking about a range of issues. She in fact spoke about the councillors of the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that they will be soon joining the Bharatiya Janata Party, and this has got to do with the MCD elections in the national capital. Listen in to what the Chief Minister said.
हम जानना चाहते हैं आपसे आपके विजन के बारे में, क्योंकि अब आप सीएम बन गई हैं। अब अगले 5 साल में आपके पास 2.5 इंजन है, मतलब एक तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, और एमसीडी भी कुछ दिन में आप लोगों के पास हो सकता है कि आ जाए। इतने मना भी नहीं कर रही, बोली हाँ हम तोड़ के ले आएंगे। अरे अभी
तोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, दे आर रेडी टू कम। अच्छा, सब लोग इस समय देश और दिल्ली दोनों को इकट्ठे चलाना चाहते हैं।
All right, so the big statement there from the Chief Minister of Delhi in a range of issues that she touched upon. She's spoken about the fact that there is no need to break away as far as these corporators are concerned. They will not be forced to join the BJP. They themselves will be dumping the AAP for the Bharatiya Janata Party, is what Rekha Gupta has just told India Today. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta live and exclusive on India Today, making that comment about the fact that she believes that the Chief Minister's doesn't have to break. In fact, the Chief Minister doesn't have to break the Aam Aadmi Party. Uski zarurat nahi hogi, is what she said. They will be, in fact, jumping ship by themselves. AAP corporators are ready to jump ship. They're ready to join the Bharatiya Janata Party for the MCD, referring to the Municipal Corporation of Delhi elections, saying that this is something that's going to be happening soon. Corporators will be quitting AAP. The AAP corporators will be leaving the party and joining the BJP, exuding confidence in the fact that the BJP also will have control of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi.
हम जानना चाहते हैं आपसे आपके विजन के बारे में, क्योंकि अब आप सीएम बन गई हैं। अब अगले 5 साल में आपके पास 2.5 इंजन है, मतलब एक तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, और एमसीडी भी कुछ दिन में आप लोगों के पास हो सकता है कि आ जाए। इतने मना भी नहीं कर रही, बोली हाँ हम तोड़ के ले आएंगे। अरे अभी
तोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, दे आर रेडी टू कम। अच्छा, सब लोग इस समय देश और दिल्ली दोनों को इकट्ठे चलाना चाहते हैं।
हम जानना चाहते हैं आपसे आपके विजन के बारे में, क्योंकि अब आप सीएम बन गई हैं। अब अगले 5 साल में आपके पास 2.5 इंजन है, मतलब एक तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, और एमसीडी भी कुछ दिन में आप लोगों के पास हो सकता है कि आ जाए। इतने मना भी नहीं कर रही, बोली हाँ हम तोड़ के ले आएंगे। अरे अभी
तोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, दे आर रेडी टू कम। अच्छा, सब लोग इस समय देश और दिल्ली दोनों को इकट्ठे चलाना चाहते हैं।
All right, a big statement there from the Delhi Chief Minister. Todne ki bhi zarurat nahi is what she says when asked a question on how the BJP is going to be gaining control of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi. She says that they, referring to AAP corporators, are willing to come, is what the Chief Minister of Delhi has said. In a range of issues that she touched upon, expressing her satisfaction at the kind of work that has started, and also talking about the intention that she has so far vis-a-vis the big challenges of Delhi, is what the Chief Minister touched upon.